Hello friends, welcome back to the bench. Here we have an ECM sent by Julie from Connecticut. And what is so special about this one, other than something that looks like liquid damage, but it isn't liquid damage actually. Julie ordered repair like a month ago, thinking that she was ordering the actual ECM. So slight misunderstanding at first, but then we talked about it, and yeah, well, because she just got the link from someone, and I don't know, just purchased. Anyways, for some reason I missed that order completely. So I reached out after a week. So there was already like a week delay before I reached out. Then there was another delay because whatever. And then it was sent to me. Then on the 16th, it said that it was delivered. Maybe it was delivered, but not to me. You know what I mean? So the post office said, yeah, it's delivered, but I don't have it. So it took another week or so, no, maybe even 2 weeks. Yeah, over 2 weeks for me to actually locate the package on the post office. Well, post office workers to actually locate the package. And finally, it's here after a month, pretty much a month in the shipping. So I made updates to my services, to my terms, that I no longer accept the USPS packages. If you want to send something, you can use anything other than USPS. UPS, FedEx, DHL, carrier pigeon, whatever you like, just not USPS. And the reason? Well, I know it's inconvenience, but it's a lot better than having your ECM lost in the post office, especially when it says delivered. Yeah, what happened? Probably Ralph just ran away with my ECM. That's always a possibility. So you can understand how awkward that felt from my side when the package says it was delivered when in fact it was not. On the other hand, because I was thinking what to do, for those cases, right? You send something and it never makes it to me. And I was thinking I should have some kind of, service agreement, some kind of paper you sign, right? But that goes against my initial core value that I'll never make you sign stuff before you send stuff over to me or before I fix your stuff, because the deal is simple. You have something that is broken and I'm the guy who fixes it, and you just want to send it over, fix it, pay for it, and that's it. And that's what I envision. No complications, no requirements, no convoluted papers to sign, nothing like that. On the other hand, but what are you gonna do if your item is lost in the mail and I tell you that, no, sorry, there's nothing I can do? Because what can I do, right? What do? Well, I don't know, sue me, I guess. If the judge says that you're responsible, then I'm gonna have to pay for your ECM. And if I pay for one ECM, then the money I made from 15 or 20 of them are gone. So it's kind of risky. The things I do for you guys, see how much I risk? Not to mention that those 2 weeks of stressing, because I really didn't know what to do, and I was kind of hoping that, well, it did make it to the post office, to the local post office, right? So maybe it will be found eventually. I was lucky this time, but next time only UPS or FedEx or DHL. No more USPS. Sorry, I love you, but you guys are incompetent. Or, well, not incompetent. There's actually competent people working there. They're just really short-staffed. they really don't have people. So there's like pretty much 2 people over there that do the whole work, and they have some temp workers. Alrighty, Julia, that's the fixed ECM. I'm so sorry it took so long. I wish I could do something about it. If you want a partial refund or full refund, let me know. It can be arranged. Alright, that is our naughty little ECM that didn't want to make it to us. But it finally did. It's a bit too early, but as soon as the UPS shop is open, this will be sent 2nd day air. So Julia, you should get it, or Julie, sorry, you should get it. What's today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm thinking Friday. You should have it back on Friday. Thank you, Julie, very much for your business. Thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.
Black Horse Repairs, subscribe. You heard me.